Hello crafty friends, it's me again. On the previous video with the club kit, I didn't show you what I made with those ones, and oh, well, this weekend I made some cards. So this is the better press for September 2024, and I stamp it in pink, and then I stamp it again, put in some gold ink, not everywhere, but it gives some nice little effect. And this one is just I stamp it with the clear embossing ink and then embossing gold embossing powder, it embossed, die cut and attach on top. On this one I just put different colors for every single leaf, and I went with some brown around as well, just to give a bit more brown reds, give a more vintage autumn look. And I made a frame in gold cardstock and some gold gems. That's it. For the third card, this one is second generation stamp. I meant just to print with clear embossing ink and then with Versamark ink and then emboss it in you know, foil, I mean with gold, but I like it so much that I decided to make a card. I couldn't cover it up. I think it's really nice colors, very very soft and delicate. So I frame it again with a smaller frame in gold. The sentiment is uh, from a die set that I had already, and I add some yellow gems, and that's it. This one is made with the large die of the month that again I didn't manage to use last week, so I did it this weekend. So on this one, on this card I used just the sunflowers, that is, and I color, I die cut in white and color with distress ink. And then that is the wax seal of the month. We got the embossy folder of the month, and we got the, the stamp clear of the month. And then on the side is an old die set, the border one that I had from last year. On this one I just used the tree and the little fence and the clouds as well. I made it like a little frame, and the sentiments from the better press of the month, yes. Again, I've got the embossing folder of the month as a background. I give it some gold accent by matting everything in gold. I mean, not everything, few layers in gold. And that was inspired by one beautiful card from Tina Smith. That was gorgeous, the card. So I got inspired and decided to make this one. It's nothing like hers, unfortunately. Will list her video below. On this one, I made like a little window looking out to the meadow, and even if the frame should be on the other side, you shouldn't see the frame, just the curtains. But I didn't know how to do it properly, so I just did it like that. I used the various elements from the large die of the month, and I color with distress ink, and I think I like it. It's very vibrant. The sentiment again is from the large die of the month. And that's it, the little windows on the meadow. Now, I didn't manage to use, I did use the sentiment, but I didn't manage to use the little frog. So I decided to make a card with a little frog, and I didn't want to make a Halloween card. I made a birthday card, so I adapted the hat, the witch hat. I just cut off some parts and made it like birthday hats. Again, there is the embossing folder of the months that I really like it, so I use it everywhere. And the sentiment is from a betterpress set from that I purchased recently that I really like. I add a couple of animal dot and colorful animal dots, and that's it. So all these cards are made this weekend with the rest of my Caboodle club, Deluxe Caboodle Club. I hope you like them, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up. And if you didn't yet, if you want to subscribe, I will be very, very grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a lovely, lovely week ahead and the nice rest of the day. See you next time. Bye.